Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Playing this audio over the radio can cause mass panic. Doing so can land you a very hefty sentence. The creator of this EAS scenario is not responsible for your actions if an event ever occurs.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. At 12:10 p.m., dark matter was seen in the middle of San Francisco Bay. It's unknown at this time what this dark matter is. All residents at this time should shelter in place. To shelter in place, lock all doors and windows from the outside. Tune into your local news media outlet for more information during this developing situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. At 12:40 p.m., people reported that the castle came out of the bay with the dark matter. People reported seeing a face in the dark matter of what people said it was a boar. This castle may be the same castle seen in the 2017 video game, The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild. All residents are advised to continue to shelter in place. Tune into your local news media outlet for more information during this developing situation.
Good afternoon, Bay Area. This is Mike Meebach reporting for KTVU Fox 2 News. Recently, we have reports of some dark matter forming what looks like a castle from the video game, The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild. Our news anchor, Greg Lee, is live at Fort Mason where the castle has formed. Greg, tell us what's happening.
Well, Mike, it appears this castle appeared out of nowhere. Witnesses said this is the most strangest occurrence they have ever witnessed. Here's what locals have to say.
I was just walking along the marina when all of a sudden, I got a shelter-in-place order from the city on my phone. I then heard a strange sound and this castle appeared in front of my eyes. It was so unreal that this happened.
I just finished shopping at the local Safeway and I saw this huge castle as soon as I left. I do not even know where this castle came from. It was the most random thing I've ever witnessed in my life.
As you can see, people have taken notice of this strange event. We are still trying to gather information about this castle and what this dark matter would do next. If you got the emergency alert, continue sheltering in place. Back to you, Mike.
Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the city mayor. It has been reported that strange pillars have appeared out of the ground and strange-looking robots are on their way to invade the city. These robots are considered hostile and dangerous. If you see these robots, run away as quickly as possible and get in a sturdy shelter. All residents are advised to evacuate now. Grab food, water, a battery-powered radio, first aid kit, and other essentials. Get to the lowest level of your building, such as a basement. If no basement is present, get into an interior room away from many windows. Do not make any sound to avoid being spotted by these robots. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. At 3:40 p.m., it has been reported that a hero named Link has defeated all of the robots that came out of the strange pillars. It has been confirmed that those robots are called Guardians. It has also been confirmed that the dark matter seen earlier is called Malice and the enemy behind the mess is called Calamity Ganon. Now Link is heading to the castle to face Calamity Ganon. As a precaution, please remain in your shelter until the all clear is given. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. At 3:55 p.m., Calamity Ganon has shown his final form by turning into a dark beast. Now our hero Link should face off Calamity Ganon and end this battle once and for all. All residents within a 5-mile radius is advised to evacuate now. Failure to do so may result in death. Evacuate now. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. It is now safe to go back home. Link has successfully sealed away Calamity Ganon from San Francisco and everything is now back to normal. The castle and Malice have also disappeared from the city. All residents can now return back home. However, billions of dollars in damages was left in its wake. If your home or business has been destroyed, go to the nearest airbase closest to your area. The San Francisco Police Department would like to thank you for your cooperation.
Good evening, Bay Area. I'm Julie Hina reporting for the KTVU Fox 2 Evening News. Developing story tonight of the destruction left by Calamity Ganon. Police tonight are still investigating how this castle mysteriously appeared, spawning monsters that wreaked havoc in San Francisco. Andre has the latest news about the event. Andre, what's the latest news about what had just happened a few moments ago?
Well, Julie, police say that the damage reported was that of some homes and business destroyed when that Calamity Ganon unleashed a powerful laser. Many of the residents here in the Marina District are left homeless as this was where most of the destruction when the battle rang out. We have spoken to some of the affected residents about the disaster that took place.
I was just watching some Ghostbusters on my sister's tablet while taking shelter from the disaster that took place. All of a sudden, I heard what I thought was a laser from when the robots invaded. After all of the robots were defeated, it revealed that my neighbor's house was destroyed from the destruction. He'll be living with us until his home is rebuilt.
I was just playing Minecraft on my laptop with my friends, but it got interrupted by the emergency alert. Once it was all clear, now I'm left homeless. Now I have nowhere to go. It feels very miserable.
I was evacuating in the Sunset District with my mother when the hero fought the Dark Beast. I saw the laser with my own eye. It was the most intense fight I've ever seen. I returned to my home in the Marina District and half of my home was destroyed. I grabbed whatever was left and now I'm living with my mom until the damage is repaired.
After speaking with the victims of this event, the Red Cross is here to aid those in need. Now police are restricting people from going through areas where damage was very major. If you are evacuating, take the Bay Bridge or Golden Gate Bridge to the Travis Air Force Base where victims are already settling. Back to you, Julie.